Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change cost basis in Interactive Broker. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Interactive Broker application or go to Interactive Broker website from a browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the top menu bar you can see your profile. Click on it. Then click to Account Settings. Then it will take you to Account Setting page. Once the page has been loaded up, you can see Cost Basis section. Since I am using a demo version, I don't have that option available. If you have, click on Cost Basis section, then go to Position Transfer Cost Basis. Then configure the transfer, then update your position. Once you have done that, lastly review and submit. Then your cost basis will be changed. This is how you can change your cost basis in Interactive Broker. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.